some of them do not fit under our realities and part of the fantasy world. Very hard to find proven and effective methods. This video is dedicated to current source of passive income, have been tested in the experience of many people and who really work good. Visit the channel, become a billionaire. Want to get rich? Then you got on. Address, subscribe right now. When you work and get paid, this is active income. But if suddenly you lose your job for any reason, reduction of the disease did not agree on the nature with the boss, this income will be lost for you. Passive income is money that regularly come to you regardless. From your health agent, performance to planning. Passive income should be taken seriously because it is usually created not for months and not even years to start. You need decide when you need extra income after 3, 5, or 10 years. Determine how much money you need, for how long and how often do you want to receive payments 1 month until the end of life, periodically, 5 years, or some other chart to think about how you can save each salary, not many times a year with awards or just once when you get inheritance. Terms and amounts of course must be realistic. Having decided on the plans, you can choose the most suitable tools, proven effective and up to date. Then the first and easiest tool, passive income. Sure, many of you, it is already being used, and if not, then the same time to deposit money in largest banks about your country. If you are going to do something, recommended to put money to systemically important banks. First of all, state banks, a list of which for each country can be easy to find on the internet. Why? The deposit must be created in such banks here are still very simple. Banks close with lightning speed. Speed in Russia, for example, approximately 10 years ago there were about 1,000 banks. Now that number is 400. Number is rapidly decreasing. So with deposits you need to be extremely careful. We are now a deposit insurance. Russia is 1 million for 100,000 rubles. That is, Russian customers can receive 100% of the amount insured bank deposit, but not more than 1 in 4 million rubles to all accounts in one bank. While if you have more than 1 in the bank million rubles, the rest of the money is not for you. Debt. Next source of passive income. Sounds like deposit currency, dollars, or you are part of the money needed. Converting currency is important to do because as soon as the next one happens, crisis in your country, it happens very often, your foreign exchange savings will reduce your problems when you go through similar crises. I will remind you of the situation in the crisis in 2008 and 2014. Years, the price of the dollar rose rapidly, and those who owned this currency were a brass third way passive income. Apartments in a certain popular region in your country concerns Russia. This is Moscow region. Then do you buy apartments, then turn them in and get a passive income? By the way, in a particularly popular way is renting an apartment through special application on the phone. Very fond of using foreigners and respectively, and the prices in such an application may be slightly higher than the usual price tag. But don't forget that your compatriots can also use similar applications. Another great way to make money is the purchase of shares in the stock market. After a strong fall, and then you just watch yours grow. Savings along with recovery economy. The last such chance was in March of this year, after which the market grew by 60% in just 5 months. When will the next opportunity to buy cheap stocks and make money in a growing market? On the channel of my friends Coin Post go. Follow the link in the description and subscribe. Watch the video about when the market is again give you a chance to become a millionaire. Next, profitable car tool. With the increased popularity of taxi services and an increase in the taxi fleet, respectively, many have successfully used this tool. Cars are rented by taxi driver, work and bring you more money. For equally realistic and current passive income options, I'll tell you in 10 seconds. And now, please support me in this video, like so you show what topics you interesting and shape accordingly. Channel filling and also giving a huge incentive to continue creating useful content. I really hope for your support. 6 tool for passive income. This new buildings for resale. On this, how to make good money. There are situations when from the moment of purchase, apartments in the sale price increased by 60 and 70%. So it's also great investment for passive income. Please note this is new construction, not for delivery purposes, namely for the purposes resale, and refers to the strategy capital gain 7 option. Passive earnings sounds so profitable side, and the idea is that you invest your money in creating advertising sites, resources, which will serve as advertising platform, respectively. monetization will come at the expense of advertising too. Content is created and executed on the site. It's optimization so that it is in the tops when search. Imagine what you buy yourself. Billboard in the city. In fact, it is the same only in internet. Following a tool is new buildings abroad, and from here there are two options to earn income. You can sell apartments or rent them. It would be particularly appropriate to invest in new building in warm countries. This is Dubai or Thailand, according to the experience of my friends. To say that even buying an apartment in Georgia brought them great on though now and does not rent apartments on the beach, seas, and get good money for it. Why invest in a new building for? First of all, it's some kind of border income, and this currency diversification, i.e. investment, occurs not only in currency. Countries where you live in 2019 became very popular passive earnings in the form of IB and an American market. IB, and this is the sale of shares on the stock exchange in first time you invest money to an American company which then will sell its shares for the first time, and from of this you will receive income. Each popular company certainly passed such a stage, but let me remind you that investment is always what? Associated with risks. Always be prepared to lose invested money, and there is no guarantee that everything can work out, especially for options such as IB in the American market. Therefore, dear viewers, be careful. 10 source of passive income sounds like this business project, and the essence is that you invest your money in a business and participate in it like bitches diddle and partner investing in the business projects of others. People need to be very careful and learn all the nuances of the project itself. It is important to remember the sources. Passive income is necessary. Constantly expand and look for new and relevant opportunities. This is done for more portfolio diversification. Tools you have at work, especially in different currencies and different areas of topics, the safer you will be yourself. Feel the more reliable your portfolio will be in receiving money, and necessarily doing something is a great way. Start spending your free time on hobby, rest, and other spheres of life. In addition to work, the presence of a passive earnings will allow you not to worry about your financial situation. Everything you need, do productive work for getting money now so that in the future, money worked for you. I hope this video inspires you to create your passive income. If you think that your family and friends, then they should stop working and relax more and do what you want, they share this video with them. Comments, it's time to write what passive income tool use you and which of the proposed options you think are the most effective. By subscribing to the channel and clicking on bell, you are guaranteed not miss the new videos on the channel. This is the place where they will tell you how to become rich. For today, I'll thank you for view this channel. Become a billionaire. You can get rich.